नील क्यों है?
My lord, the petitioner is a member of the PTI and was one of the candidates for the reserved seats. A list was filed by PTI, which was subsequently returned by the Election Commission, and she was on that list on behalf of PTI.
So why is it nil, your petition not numbered?
We were not parties to the proceedings in Peshawar, and we are filing on the basis of the law laid down by your lordships in H.M. Sayal's case.
Did you move an application to be joined as a party?
No, my lord, no, we did not. But H.M. Sayal's case gives us the right to...
We know H.M. Sayal.
I'll just place that in subsequent judgments in which your lordships have said that in fact...
The H.M. Sayal's case is if as a consequence of some judgment you are affected.
We are.
But this is not as a consequence.
It is, my lord, as a consequence.
You were never declared as a candidate.
Yes.
You had a standalone grievance.
Our position is...
Day one. You never filed a petition.
No, our position is... that
My position.
Yes, my lord, but she represents the women's wing of the PTI.
No. That's
okay, my lord. My position is that had the Election Commission allowed reserved seats to SIC or to PTI, she would have been a candidate in the election. And by not permitting reserved seats...
You were aggrieved why you didn't challenge your grievance before any forum.
It was being challenged, it was being agitated. But it was being challenged by SIC before the Peshawar High Court, the Election Commission.
SIC ka to ek alag hai na. I think neither you are appreciating the conflict. You are a standalone candidate, you are being deprived.
Yes, I am being deprived.
So
and
then
therefore,
you have a right to agitate.
Quite so. And therefore I am affected by this judgment, and H.M. Sayal's case applies to me on all fours.
आपका नाम उस लिस्ट में था जिसमें PTI
की लिस्ट में आपका नाम था? जी।
इधर है लिस्ट आपकी दिखाएं?
जी।
पेज? जी? The page?
No, it's not been filed yet. I just got it, my lord. But I will file it if I may.
नहीं तो सारा आपका केस ही इस पे बिल्ड अप हो रहा है.
I've asserted it. I've stated it.
कौन सी वाली लिस्ट में नाम है ये?
Application. The list is here. This was the list that was presented. And this list was returned.
Mr. Salman Raja, neither is your petition numbered. Now you're producing enough notice has been given. Now you're producing a piece of paper on which your entire case rests.
I will file it.
I mean, it's not something that has just come in your hands. This is your document.
And then also we filed a writ petition in the High Court saying...
चीज़ का जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे हैं किसी चीज़.
My lord, I have stated it.
ठीक है बस.
No, my lord, I'll explain. But in between there was a problem with the sealing of the office and so on, and this was actually recovered quite late in the day. Eid holidays came in, and I've just received it and I will file it. My apologies for not being able to file it earlier, but we were struggling with the sealing and the de-sealing of the office.
ये लिस्ट में तो सिर्फ दो नाम हैं.
जी इसमें यही चाहिए थे.
List to all
no, but because the law says as long as you filed a list, later on you can add to it.
This is the only list.
Yes, for the National Assembly. Yes, for the National Assembly. And
I'll ask you this question again.
Yes.
This is the only list of PTI for women.
Yes.
Two candidates only.
Yes, because we knew that ultimately the law allows us to supplement this list.
आपसे argument नहीं पूछ रहे.
Yes.
आप fact पूछ रहे.
I've said so.
So if you don't think there's a danger in the answer.
No, this is the list that was filed.
Okay.
And therefore at that time when this list was filed, the expectation was that after the election we would be...
this is the list for reserve list for seats
for women.
Women from Punjab.
Yes.
So you filed separately for the other provinces.
Yes.
And for the
I'll file them all.
And for the provincial.
Yes.
अब तक facts आपको नहीं पता है.
नहीं मुझे पता है.
अभी आपने 3 दफा ये सवाल पूछा. My lord has to point out कि भाई पंजाब वाली list है.
Yes. So I am filing the list before your lordship in which she is named.
There should be a sense of responsibilities. How can we just accept it? That's why we want documents filed before the other party gets a chance to at least consider it.
The Election Commission actually has filed things which have just come to my attention this morning. They've filed something over the weekend.
They have filed it, no?
Yes, but this I'm submitting. I will file, make copies available to them.
They shouldn't have come to your attention this morning because we got it yesterday and it was filed. वो Election Commission ने कब file किया? तो आप कल निकलवा लेते ना?
Well, I will file this. My apologies.
Raja, so the petitioner you say is a person who was on the reserve seat for women.
Yes, for Punjab.
Now, what's your precise grievance against the judgment?
No, if I may now, that's the entirety of the case then, if I may proceed with that. And I will file this. My apologies for not having filed these earlier. These will be properly
And
filed.
you filed CMAs also. Can you just give us numbers of everything simultaneously?
Yes, Manoj. Yes, Manoj. I've also filed a CMA 5839. This actually shows that
Oh, that's it? Or is there another CMA?
No, this is the CMA. It's been filed.
5839M.
In CMA 3554.
ये बस यही दो documents हैं ना?
So, इसी के अंदर ही है.
So far, these are the documents, but I'll file this today. So CMA 3554.
I always say when the case is over, you can file it.
Tell us your grievance, please. We don't understand.
Let me argue the case
please
if I
get
may.
on with it now,
Yes,
बताएं.
Manoj, I am.